Yeah, so I highly appreciate this idea that this new education policy doesn't have any language imposed. It talks about Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat. So on top of that, that this 10th and 12th grade board remains the same, and then they're using this Parak, performance assessment review and analysis of knowledge for holistic development. So this is the best part that I like about NEP, and I'm very optimistic about this policy to be implemented, and our children enjoy it more than we do. And if I get a chance to become education minister, what I would like to do is I'll shut off these private schools. I'll have a common school system wherein a child, where no matter which background he or she belongs to, no matter what their parents are doing, but they have access to the similar school at least till grade 12th. So when when we have our next generation, they like the intellectual level can be, I cannot say it will remain same for everybody, but at least the opportunities that we are providing, like some scientists, they never had a good background, they could make it. But nowadays, if we talk facilities and all these things do matter. If a rickshaw puller's son, okay, exceptions are always there, but they must be given these equal opportunities which can be given through common school system. So I would go for this.
Thank you, Jyoti ma'am. This was a very disruptive idea, shutting down all the private schools. There was a survey which said, more than 120 member of parliaments, have their schools in their particular constituencies.
So they should be affected. These are the policy maker people. They should let their children study in common school system. These schools can be converted into common schools.
Absolutely. Idea is very disruptive, I'm sure, but there could be a possibility that your portfolio get changed, within 24 hours from education to finance or something else after talking about this such a disruptive change. But big thanks, Jyoti ji, for participating, for sharing this wonderful idea. In fact, we all appreciate, we all take inspiration of the kind of journey you have chosen, to empower those students who come from those, backgrounds. So you have our wishes. Big thanks for participation and sharing your wisdom and ideas.
Thank you so much.
Now I would request Sarthak sir, if we can have your concluding remark, and what would be your priority if you get a chance to become Minister of Education?
Yes. My concluding point is in respect of NEP 2020. It is not about the need to know, but it is more about the need to discover, to experience, to explore, and to challenge. And meeting and facing challenges related to environment, because there's certain changes anytime, and ecosystems as well. A 21st century individual, student, or a human being must know. And being education minister, the country level, I'll definitely join Jyoti ma'am. Like she said, this was my point I was going to share. There should be some uniform education system in every school, may it be ICSC or ISC, CBSE, State Board, or NIMS. There has to be some uniformity in education system. And no one should get disgusted in case a child is not able to afford a fee of school. So everything should be some same sort of एक सा होना चाहिए सब एजुकेशन सिस्टम है. स्टूडेंट्स की, बच्चों की कोई मिस्टेक नहीं है if he's born and brought up in some poor or low middle class family. So everyone deserves education. Right to education should be followed this way. And secondly, I'll follow Jaswinder sir also. I would like to add in his concluding part that the way we radiate the energy is going to come back. We know to each action there's equal and opposite reaction. So Gurukul wali baat jo sir ne, तो वो सेम सिस्टम भी मैं रिफॉर्म करना चाहूंगा. गुरुकुल्स वाला सिस्टम दोबारा से एजुकेशन में विद लेटेस्ट टेक्निकल मैथडोलॉजी अगर इम्प्लीमेंट हो वो बेस्ट होगा. So this is from my side. Thank you.
Absolutely, absolutely. Thank you, Sarthak sir, for this wonderful thought. Big thanks to all the key speakers once again. Suraj sir, Sarthak sir, Jyoti ji, Deepika ji, Jaswinder sir for joining and participating and sharing your wonderful thoughts. Big thanks to other participants for being with us for the entire session. Big thanks to all of you. We'll end the session here. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.